Hey guys, Hasnan here from Hasnan Tech. Today, I'm going to be talking about artificial intelligence or AI. AI is a broad term that refers to any technology that is designed to mimic human intelligence. It can be used to solve complicated problems, recognize patterns, and interpret data in order to make decisions. AI works by taking in data from its environment and analyzing it to determine what action to take. This data can come from a variety of sources, including sensors, cameras, and other forms of input. AI then uses algorithms to process the data and identify patterns which it uses to make decisions. The decisions it makes can be as simple as turning on a light or as complex as driving a car. AI can be incredibly beneficial in a variety of different areas. For example, it can help automate tedious tasks, such as data entry, making them faster and more accurate. AI can also be used to help diagnose medical conditions and provide personalized healthcare. AI can even help improve customer service by providing more tailored support. AI is used in a variety of different sectors, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases. In finance, AI is used to identify patterns in the stock market and recommend the best investments. In manufacturing, AI is used to optimize production processes and ensure high-quality products. In transportation, AI is used for autonomous driving and to optimize traffic flows. It is estimated that AI will continue to grow and become more advanced in the coming years. AI is already being used in a variety of applications such as facial recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. AI is predicted to become more powerful and able to do things that were once unimaginable. It is also likely to be used to address global problems like climate change and poverty. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech content.